like that. Just for making me mad. No, that doesn't even come close to making it up to me. Unless you want me to kick and scream like a little toddler. Samantha. Samuel Keith Martino.
Wait, anyways.
Her first name's Samuel, her middle name's Keith, and her last name's Martino. Why did you just do that, Sam? This still doesn't make up for it, Sam. How the hell? Okay. I'll tell you after you make it up to me. Wow.